Everybody wants a place, a friendly smile, a warm embrace. We feel strong when we belong. Alone too long feels kinda wrong. We laugh more when we're not apart. People heal with a caring heart. We're not islands, can't stand alone. We're not islands, can't stand alone. Every heart wants to feel like home. See me, feel me, be kind, be kind. What you give comes back in time. See me, feel me, be kind, be kind. Love grows fast in a gentle mind. We look left, we look right. Am I good enough tonight? But comparing steals your smile. You were enough all the while. Your path is yours, your pace is fine. No two stars are meant to shine the same light. What you see is not the whole. Everyone's fighting something inside their soul. See me, feel me, be kind, be kind. What you give comes back in time. See me, feel me, be kind, be kind. Love grows fast in a gentle mind. We hear what we already believe. Truth gets quiet if we don't receive. We close our ears, we close our eyes, and miss the truth in a new disguise. Listen twice before you decide. Truth feels bigger when it's tried.
You don't know what I've been through, and I don't know the weight on you. So walk a mile in someone's shoes. You might change the way you choose. A little care, a softer tone, can make the world feel less alone.
Sometimes we follow just to fit, even when it doesn't feel legit. We're brave for saying this isn't me. Being yourself is being free. Stand up kind, stand up true. The world grows better when you do. See me, feel me, be kind, be kind. What you give comes back in time. See me, feel me, be kind, be kind. Love grows fast in a gentle mind. See me, feel me, be kind, be kind. One small act can change mankind. One small smile, one kind word. That's how change is really heard. Be the light, simple and true. The world feels better starting with you.